Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Gastronomic Delights by LB.
Happy Navratras to everyone. The Navratras have started, so I'm sure many of you have kept the fast. So today's recipe is Sabudana Khichdi. This is very quick and light recipe, especially when you are fasting, and it is very good for breakfast as well. So let us start with the recipe. We need Sabudana pearls for this, or you can say sago pearls. These are easily available in market and you can just take them. Take one bowl of Sabudana pearls and you have to soak them in the water for overnight. So this is a very important step to make Sabudana pearls that are not very sticky and khichdi that is not sticky. You need to soak them overnight. When you see, when you soak them overnight, they are very light and they are very, separated. Each and every pearl is very significantly visible when you cook them. So take a pan and just add little oil and put ajwain seeds into the oil when oil is hot, and it will start to crackle. In case you don't eat ajwain during your fast, please replace ajwain with jeera. You can add jeera also instead of ajwain. So this is very simple and easy recipe, and it hardly takes few minutes to be cooked, and very easy and very light on the palate as well. It's a very healthy recipe even for your breakfast, so you can have generally also even if you're not fasting this recipe as a breakfast. Now I've added some diced potatoes. These are boiled potatoes. I've just diced them into medium-sized squares, and some green chilies, and we'll just cook potatoes and green chilies till they're little brown and crisp. You can take a medium-sized potato. I've taken a very small potato. You can take a smaller or medium sized potato, and I've added 2 green chilies. You can add 1. It depends on the spice level that you want. I like my Sabudana Khichdi to be little spicy, so I've taken 2 green chilies. Now you add around 1 tablespoon of peanuts and we'll roast them with potatoes. So now you can see that peanuts and potatoes are changing color. They are a bit roasted. Now we are going to add the soaked sabudana. You can see the pearls are very much separated because I've soaked them overnight. So this is a very important tip here, that you have to soak sabudana at least for 10 to 12 hours. Otherwise, as soon as you put them into the batter, it will become sticky. Now add rock salt. You can add seta namak or rock salt, and red chili powder to give it more texture. You can see the pearls are so separated. They look so nice. They're actually looking like a very small pearls. So, and they are you can see the khichdi is not sticky at all. It is very very nice and crunchy, and it's very nice. Just mix everything very well. It is very important that salt and chili is mixed properly with the mixture. And just cook it on the low flame. Don't cook it on a high flame, because sabudana is almost very soft. We have kept it, and potatoes and peanuts are properly cooked. So just cook it on a low flame. Don't cook it on a high flame. You can see it is not sticking. It is very nice and light. Each and every individual pearl is separated. All the mixture is very nice, and its color is very beautiful. This khichdi recipe only includes very basic things that are easily available, and very light and good recipe for fast and Navratras. And you can eat twice or thrice or every day. I don't think you can get bored of this recipe. Now just top it with switch off the gas and add the coriander. Coriander will add freshness and more greenness to the dish. And just now you can just serve it in a plate. Do serve hot. You can serve it with curd, general curd, or also with the tea. So you can see the khichdi is so beautiful. You can see each and every pearl is very nicely cooked and everything. It is not at all sticky. So do try this recipe during Navratras, and do let me know if you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe for more interesting recipes.